Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, winter's still here. We're supposed to get, like, over the next 2 days, another foot of snow. Yay. Oh, well, can't complain about it. We live in Michigan. You know, you just deal with it, right? So, I've got a couple things to do today. First thing, I was just getting everything prepped, before I turned on the camera. And I had this box I ordered from Welter's with bearings and races, and I was hoping dust shields and seal retainers. Well, the box has probably been here for a week and a half at least. Anyways, I didn't open it up. Well, it does say in there that a couple items I ordered that they weren't able to source. So I wish I would open the box sooner, but it is what it is. So what I am missing, and this tractor only had one. This is a dust shield, which actually there's still the seal, and the seal retainer goes in here, and then this slips over top and stays on there. This tractor only had one on one side, which of course needs two. This hub I already pounded in the races, and I just got the bearings sitting there. I need to pre-grease it. I haven't done it yet, but of course it's not all together either. And I do have a phone call into one of my other parts guys for a couple of these seal retainers. This one here, I think I could clean up and straighten up. The other one, I wasn't as nice getting it out. So, yeah. But we're going to cross that bridge when we get there. So, and another thing, I got to find a castle nut yet for the bottom of the shaft there, which would be nope, this side here, underneath here, that holds the axle to the spindle, we'll call it. So yeah, but anyway, so what I was going to do is walk back to one of my parts tractors. Let me grab a rag and wipe my hand off here. Got some grease on here, but and see if the nut on the bottom side of one of those is good, and see if I have another one of them. Those hubs has a seal retainer, or sorry, the dust shield here. Seal retainers, I probably would end up being the same thing. So I've got to call in to see if another one of my guys, like I said, if he has some of those. So I'm gonna do a little homework. He's gonna do a little homework, see if he can find it. See, he's got a bunch of oddball stuff. So okay, well, let's walk back to the parts and projects, I guess. I still have two ZAUs back there. One is definitely a parts tractor. One could be made into a runner and, a driving tractor. So I'm hesitant to take parts off of that one. Okay, let's walk back. So if I have to wait on parts, I'll, geez, man, it is snowing. Wait on parts, we've got firewood to cut, so. And I think we're gonna use the old UTS here to haul trees out. I'll have to take the plow hitch off, but that's, takes longer to find the wrenches than to take it off, so it'd be good for it to run too. Yep, that's Nicholas's tractor, but he's helping out a local contractor this weekend, do some work. So, yeah, lovely weather. But what is today? Today's the 15th of February, so it's not like this weather's out of the ordinary. It's not like snow in July. So, but I did see one March it was 80 degrees. I can remember that quite a few years ago. It was 80 degrees for a day or two, and that had to have been right around 2000. When was that? I can't remember. Some of you could probably remember, but it screwed up all the fruit trees around here. That made them, bloom early, then everything frosted. So that wasn't cool. No cherry trees, or no cherries, I should say, on the trees, or apples and such. So Okay. So that ZA is a late one, and that one could be made into a good running tractor with a little bit of TLC. So, okay, here's that other ZAU. That's actually a late one also, but I just want to see if it had the dust shields on it. Looks like it definitely has one, I think. One on that side over there. Okay. This one, it might be on there, but it don't look very good. Heidi? Hey, what are you doing? Are you being Have? Huh? Are you being Have? Goofball. Okay. Alright, the nut's on there. And I can, just by feel, I can feel that one's better. And I need rims anyways for that tractor. This one ain't so hot. This one might work. Oh, I've got an extra one or two around here anyways. Okay. I wonder if this radiator's any good. It could be. I already have one ready for this tractor that we're working on, so this is a spare. Okay. All right, well, there's some possibilities there. It's gonna be I guess I could pull it up to the house and grab that stuff. I'm trying to think if I have another. I'll wait for, actually it was Jay Grosskreutz is looking for those, so if he can't find it, he'll probably make a phone call or two to another one of our part suppliers and see if excuse me, see if he can find them. So okay, well, that's good news there. Okay, well, let's go see if that tractor will start up. I'll let that warm up a little bit. Nicholas was supposed to have put gas in it for me the other day because this was the plan to do this. Well, my father's supposed to be coming over too to help. Jacob's at college still this weekend. And like I said, Nicholas is helping a local contractor do some stuff inside, apparently. Better be. We gotta go to the funeral home this weekend. One of my classmates' parents, her mother died, so not something I really want to do, but you know. Okay, let's check the oil in the old girl. I haven't started this since, I don't remember when we started this one. I need to get working on this one too, but yeah, black. Oh, okay. Wouldn't surprise me if we don't. We have to jump it. Clutches forward. I see that. All right, hose is on. Let's clean this out a little bit farther. Kaiser implement, Mendota, Illinois. Alright. I am betting I'll have to put the battery charger on it, but choke's froze. Oh, not anymore. Oh, I bet she starts. Come on, baby. I did turn the gas on, didn't I? Oh, it's on. Oh, yeah, I turned it on. Okay. we're gonna have something, folks. I'll give her some choke again. Come on, baby. Oh, she wants to, but you know, these starters, once they get so many RPMs, they kick out, so. Definitely a cold start. It's cold enough I've got gloves on. I'm gonna go, let's go for a little walk in the woods here. This tree's that we yanked out with the 1050 the other day. Those are all cut up. They're all stacked and undercover over here, split stacked. After last snowstorm, I had Nicholas take the big mow. I wish I would have had him film it. Didn't think about it. And he was supposed to push all this snow, which looks like he did, over there, out of the way. So looks like kind of a mess over there, but once it all melts, it'll be okay. There's a tree we'll need to cut up. What I want to use is this area here for a staging area again. We're gonna yank the trees out. So there's a dead one right there. We'll need to haul that one out. A lot of years this is too wet to be in here, but this year it definitely froze. So this is the backside of my shop here and lean-to, and I've always had dreams, or plans I should say. I want to clear this area out, which has tons of dead trees already. That one there I'll have to go to, and probably that little one over there. But I want to put my next shed right here, so want to clear this area out of here. And well, at least we can use it for parking, so for now. But I'll haul a bunch more sand in here to bring the level up. You know, from out back I got a big hole already started. So yeah, I got all these dead trees that are probably be pretty much ready to go right in the log splitter, or I mean right in the wood stove. So but some of these tall popples, they're already leaning this way, so that won't be an issue falling on some tractors. So there's a dead one right there. That's a big one there. I don't know, I might leave that one there for now, but my goal, or what my intention is here, is I want to put a 40 by 80 up here sometime. So I'm just slowly, you know, working at getting things ready, I guess. So I think we'll drive that the old U up to the shop. I think that one tire looks like it was a little bit low. Oh, there's a dead tree there too. Yeah, but yeah, I think I want to put a building here, and then we'll have it stick past these buildings. That way I can have a door over here in this corner, and then maybe have a door over here so we can go out that way. I don't know. Well, that's all gonna be decided later, but for now I want to get the area ready. So Not sure when that's gonna happen, but just gonna try to make it happen when I can. I think my top priority is to save up and get my barn insulated so I can work in there in the wintertime. Really want to be able to paint in the wintertime. So yeah, that's the plan. All right, let's walk back up to the old U and get it ready for today's adventure. tree, so I couldn't just pull it that way, so I'm gonna go around and try it that way. nice having options. And also nice to have gasoline, you know, engine tractors around too. They start, even when it's this cold out, they start. So, you know, diesel sometimes needs help. So, yeah, we'll just push that to the side a little bit. And, you know, kind of want to stockpile them here. See another dead tree back in there. You probably can't see. Okay, well, it's actually the next day. And this is the second time I'm trying to film this clip. But, anyways, apparently I didn't turn the camera on. So yesterday it didn't go quite as planned. My dad did show up when he was supposed to. I don't want to get the wrong impression there, but with all the snow coming down, it was kind of wet. It was wreaking havoc on the camera here, as in it turned itself on, turned itself off. It was weird, and it was hard to film things. And Dad come over, and he was driving the old U, and all of a sudden it just stopped, like somebody just turned the switch off, you know. Anyways, so I fiddled around with it. I actually put new points condenser in it. I had another set here, put a new rotor on it, and that coil is not very old, but I'm not sure what happened. It's either the coil's bad, a wire to the coil, whatever, or a switch or something like that. But I didn't have time yesterday to fix it, so got other options around here. Actually fired up to 1050 and used that again. But it was snowing so hard and everything was getting wet. It's like I just put the camera away, didn't film anything. So, but if you look, yeah, we got about a good 12 inches of snow on the ground. That's plenty for now, and that's, you know, 2 days worth. But the thing is, I don't know if you can hear it or see in the trees over there, but the wind's blowing. And it's not so bad right here because I'm well protected with all these trees from pretty much all directions, which is kind of nice. But the side roads, I'm sure, are gonna be a mess. And tomorrow is actually President's Day, so the kids don't have school anyways. So, or else I think they would have a snow day. Just guessing. So yeah, these are my tracks from walking out here before. And I thought I was filming it, and I thought I did a good clip too. So I'm trying to do everything I did that first time. But anyways, so here's a bunch of trees we hauled out. Thanks for coming over, Dad. And I think he enjoyed running that 1050. Funny story. He says, you know, really didn't, you know, the last couple years he's come to really appreciate power steering, you know, and that tractor has power steering versus that old U is Armstrong. Some of you older feathers can probably relate. So yeah, so there's a bunch of trees here ready to cut up. A couple of these are, you know, probably going to be wood stove ready, I'm thinking. But yeah, you can hear that wind. Yeah, lovely. Oak tree. I can remember when I bought this place, that oak tree was probably, I don't know, just this big. It's grown. They grow slow, but we've been at this property. I bought this, or we should say, the wife and I bought this 20 years ago already. Jeez, oh Pete, time flies when you get old. So, today, if I have time, I'm going to start working on this. But I need to plow the driveway. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use the 302 LP on the back blade to, you know, kind of clear out stuff, and then I'm going to use the big mow to push the piles back, if you know what I'm saying. So it's just I don't know if we're going to get some more snow this week or not, but I gotta have somewhere to put it. But it's kind of still, I don't know, maybe that snow's coming off the trees here, but kind of feels like it's spitting at me, if you know what I'm saying. Those of you who live up in the northern areas that get snow know what I'm talking about. So I think it's supposed to be up to like 25 degrees today. So normally if the wind isn't so bad. So, but anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna probably cut the video here. I know I am, but yeah, I'm gonna keep going, get this video uploaded for you guys to watch, then I'll keep working. on that ZA project. We got lots to do on that yet, and plus plow the driveway. So all right, hey, appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.